Hey guys, today we are going to be doing a Tokaboka roleplay. So, hope you enjoy. Oh, let me see what time it is. Oh, it's literally 6. Good. I was planning on going swimming today, so let me just make my bed. Let me go wake this little rat up. Wake up! Hey, why would you do that? That's kind of mean. It's because I did it. So get up. We're going swimming today. What about the rest of the family? You're gonna wake them up, not me. Duh. Ugh. Fine, I'll get ready. What should I wear for today? Let me look at my wardrobe. My makeup. My phone. Okay, let me put the phone right there. For swimming, let's see if I have any swimming outfits. No, just more PJs. Let me actually try this on. This looks cute, but no. This is also cute, but it's not good for swimming. No. I have to find a swimsuit. Okay, that's a swimsuit. This is the only swimsuit I can find, so let me pack it. Okay, that's all done. Close my drawer. Okay, what should I wear for the day, though? Mom, Dad. What, is everything okay? Yeah, everything's fine. I just wanted to wake you guys up. We're going to the pool today. Oh, you scared us. Okay, let's see what I should wear. Do I have a swimsuit? And this is good enough. Ooh, which shorts look better? These shorts. But this looks good overall. Let me just pack this in a bag. Can't do that. I'll just ask my sister to put it in her clothes, I guess. And my phone. I'm just gonna wait till everyone's ready. Okay, I think I picked out what I'm gonna wear, and I think I'm gonna wear this. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, this is good. Now I will wear a hat. This looks really cute. Let me pack my phone. Let me just close my bag until someone wants me to put anything in there. Now I'm just gonna go chill. What's up, bro? What's up? I'm just gonna chill in your room while everyone's ready. Hey, honey, can you put this in your bag? Yeah, sure. I'm gonna go wake up Grandma and Grandpa. Okay.